Hi guys, today I have new total humidifier. It looks nice from front and the back as well. If you wanted to add the water, you have to unlock it first. Move the gray line from here to here. At the bottom, you can add the water. Here, you can add the water and the cartridge. We use cartridge to reduce the row of mold and odor. One cartridge can be enough to let you fill up the container between 30 and 40 times. This gear should has connection with other gear. This button for night light, like that. This button makes that rank go and back 120 degrees. From this button, you can have high or low mist.